Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're digging into the question on every potential borrower's mind. Why are mortgage rates going up even though the Fed just cut rates? Let's break it down so you have a clear idea of what's really impacting those mortgage rates and how to watch for it. So first off, what's the deal with the Fed's rate cuts? When the Federal Reserve cuts rates, they're lowering short-term interest rates. This influences things like credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. And yes, it can help make borrowing cheaper in many areas, but mortgage rates are a bit different. Mortgage rates are long-term rates. They're more influenced by broader economic trends than by the Fed's decisions on short-term rates. So even if the Fed cuts rates, mortgage rates can still move in the opposite direction. And that's exactly what's happening now. If you want to predict where mortgage rates are headed, keep an eye on the 10-year Treasury yield. This is the key indicator that lenders use to set mortgage rates. Here's why. The 10-year Treasury yield reflects what investors expect for long-term growth, inflation, and economic stability. When investors expect higher inflation or a stronger economy, they demand higher returns, which drives up the Treasury yield. And as the yield goes up, mortgage rates usually follow. So even though the Fed lowered rates, the 10-year Treasury yield has been rising, which is why we're seeing higher mortgage rates. So what does this mean for you as a borrower? Instead of focusing on the Fed's announcements, keep an eye on the 10-year Treasury yield to get a sense of where the mortgage rates might be headed. If you see the Treasury yield rising, it could mean mortgage rates are about to go up. This might be a good time to lock your rate if you're ready to buy or refinance. On the other hand, if the yield is falling, it might be worth either floating your rate or holding off on locking your rate if you're able, as mortgage rates could drop too. Mortgage rates can be tricky to navigate, but understanding what really influences them gives you the power to make better financial decisions. If you're considering a mortgage or want more guidance on when to lock in that rate, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. Let's find the best option for you.